up, YouTube? Listen, family, we had a wild day today. But if you were able to successfully navigate and make some money, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, listen, as always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. Class will be in session today, so please lock in, take some notes on what I'm going to teach you today, okay? Without further ado, make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes. Let's go ahead and dive into it. You guys already know we got earnings, man, and I'll talk about that briefly. We just had Tesla today. We have Microsoft. Tomorrow, you guys are going to see Apple, amongst others, okay? Again, guys, this is a Super Bowl week for investors and traders, so it's going to get wild in the trenches, okay? So prepare for it. It's going to be a lot of volatility. Your job is to manage your risk and make sure you're on the right side of the trade, guys. Kicking it off with my favorite portion of every video, which is loving on you guys, is Tanya Brown. Man, this made my day. She titled this guy's major win. She says, "Good afternoon, coach. Although I have followed you for several months, I was hesitant to join your money team due to the cost. Many teachers overpromise but underdeliver, which can be a costly investment over a long period of time. Although I woke up not feeling well Monday morning, I decided to bite the bullet and join. I executed 2 of your 3 recommended plays by purchasing calls for SOX, SOX we call that, guys, and Alibaba. I woke up this morning and to my surprise, my Baba option was up 217%. I had to straighten my glasses a bit to make sure I was truly seeing what I was seeing. I immediately closed out my 5 Baba calls, making $3,568.36 in profit on my first trade recommendation from the money team. I must say it was truly worth the investment, so thanks for your knowledge and wisdom. My other option play is green but hasn't reached my percentage goal as of yet. I'm very happy with my results. Thanks, coach. Sincerely, TB." Tanya, love everything about this, man. First and foremost, I couldn't agree more. I'm very big on under promising and over delivering, guys. She's so right. There's so much noise out there and there's so many people pulling at you guys. I always say you got to have a spirit of discernment so that you guys can sift through the noise and find your trusted person, your trusted voice, the person that you believe divinely is connected to you, because she's on point with that, guys. You got people that just trying to sell you. I don't got nothing to sell y'all. Coach, do this simply out of the love because I'm retired. I don't need to do this. I don't need to come on and show none of you guys how to read a chart, how to do technical analysis, how to manage your risk, and how to do the 100K. Okay, but I believe it's a skill that all y'all can learn. We are the best at everything we do in the world if we get exposed to it. And so my job, my duty is to show you guys it's possible using everyday people to do it. Tanya made $3,568. Guys, we do this on a money team all the time. I do this, again, it's exclusive, guys. So you don't know, y'all ain't never heard me talk about Baba. Okay, so the plays there is different than Discord, it's different than YouTube. But I do this, okay? I ain't gonna toot my horn. The Bible say let others exalt you. So you guys have to do it because I'm not gonna do it. I just know how I put it down. I know my plays. I want to make money, so I figure if you guys join me, I'm going to make sure you make money. Now, whether you overstay your welcome or do all the extra stuff because, oh girl, coach, he gonna help you make 100K. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that, but you gotta take profit when you up. What she did that was so phenomenal was when she was up $3,500. I know she was up ASAP because my plays hit. If you are with me, all you need is Monday and Tuesday. You're going to make a killing, okay? You ain't even got to do nothing Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday because what you do on Monday and Tuesday will do it. But she said, I closed out my Baba in profit when I woke up. She didn't try to hold all day to see how much higher it was going to go. And thank God she did, because later on the day, it did end up coming down. But that's why you got to see profit, take profit, okay? But across the board, I couldn't be more proud of not only Tanya, but all of you guys just on the journey, persisting every day, trying to get 1% better every day, taking it one day at a time, one play at a time, okay? It's a marathon, all right? I ain't got no get rich quick, nothing for you. I just know how to be surgical and teach you a process that we go after it every single day. If you're willing to put in the work and put in the time, it's inevitable. One thing about Coach, I make money. So you're going to make money. The thing is not to give it back to Wall Street. That's why I'm on you guys about the risk management, about the stop loss so much. The stop loss is the key to all of everything, okay? Everything you're going to try to do in this game, it comes down to your stop loss. So major salute. Tanya crushed it. So I know the whole money team crushed it. I don't worry about them, okay? That's an elite, special, covert group, okay? But if you made money today, whether it was due to Jerome Powell or before he even got up there to the podium, let me know down in the comments below, okay? Now, look, guys, class is in session. Today, I'm going to teach you guys about a false breakout because it is trap season, and I don't know if you guys know how to handle the traps, okay? So look at this graphic I got pulled up here, okay? Look at the circle, all right? Look at the circle, the false break above the channel of resistance, okay? So you need to always chart and make lines when you see certain patterns or certain trends developing so that you can kind of see the range that it's within, okay? In this particular case, this is called a bull trap, but technically it's a false break, okay? It's a false breakout. So it acted like it was going to go above this line. It made a double top, so that already told me it was coming back down. Double top means it's going to drop, okay, or the letter M. All right, but then it came down. Think about Nvidia today. Think about Baba today after it went up crazy. Think about Apple today. Sometimes, guys, let me look at you guys. I tell you all the time, don't overstay your welcome. Because when you overstay your welcome, you are running into a false break. You're running into a bull trap, okay? And if the play is to the downside, it's the same thing, but it's called a bear trap, okay? Or a false breakdown, okay? And so again, guys, that is something you gotta be mindful of. When I told you guys I had more losses than all y'all, and I had 2.5 years of losing, this right here was what it looked like. Oh, the play about to take off. We finally broke out. Soon as Coach by it, yank, they pull it all the way down. I'm looking like, oh my God. I was waiting for it to break out. I got happy. It was up. I didn't take profit. Now it's back down below the channel, okay? And so that's the first one I want to share with you guys. Now let's check this one out. Take your eyes to the far left. Look at the fake out, okay? Because it can happen in both directions. Look at what we have circled here on the fake out, okay? It was going to the downside. A person would have jumped in with puts thinking, oh, it broke the level, it broke support, I'm about to buy a put. And then boom, it shoot right back up. Now go to the one in the middle. Okay, this is very similar to one I just showed you. The stock came from support, ran up, acted like it was about to take off, and then we call this a blow off top, otherwise known as a fake out breakout. And this mug came all the way back down to and through support and even lower, okay? But these are the things you need to know and be mindful of, all right? So check it out. Using your stop loss, taking profit, all of that helps alleviate this. You can't stop what the market is going to do. You can't stop what's going to happen in the market. You can just control when you're up. One thing I got to get on Tanya about. She said, my plays are up, but one of them hasn't hit my percentage yet. Could she be overstaying her welcome and possibly running into a resistance level, a rejection level, when she could just take the profit? We have to stop being greedy. Not saying she's being greedy. We got to stop overstaying our welcome, and we have to stop looking for some arbitrary number. When you are up, take profit and learn to rinse and repeat. Okay, you gonna know when you catch a massive go crazy play. Okay, these days ain't it. When you got FOMC, Fed Powell, earnings, Nvidia crashing, Nvidia going up, Nvidia going back down, Tesla crashing, when all that commotion, you're not going to get a massive run nowhere. So the run you get, you got to know that's the move for the day. Then the market is going to move back to a run mode, kind of how Apple did on Monday and Tuesday. Today it cooled down, but Monday and Tuesday was a run. But every day is not going to be that, okay? So Coach just wanted to put that on you guys. Check this out. This is a good example of, I told you guys, quit sleeping on Meta. This is $1,000 play. So for 2025, I told you this is my number one stock. This is my dark horse though, so I ain't gonna overly talk about it, but just know if y'all want to make some money, it will be Meta. Meta is just a beast, okay? Meta got their stuff together, from the balance sheets, from the fundamentals, from everything, okay? Copying people's stuff, the whole nine. They got it down to a science, okay? Now I ain't saying we agree with that, but we in this game to make money, and I want you guys to know where the money is at. Meta is one of those ones. So if you see 400, I know I sound like a broken record. If you see 500, you always buy this, because by this time, the end of the year or next year, this will be at 1,000, and you're gonna be like, man, Coach used to always tell us about Meta. He used to always pound the table about Meta, but I just slept on it. I just kept letting it go up. Look at this, $31.05, up 4.6.5%. Okay, again, this is $1,000 stock. Now that it's gonna get there tomorrow, but I want you to know you're in something that is awesome. Every earnings, they're going to crush it. They're gonna get boosts like this, and so when you can take advantage of it, please do so. Okay, but again, watch for the fake out breakout too, because we're in a choppy market right now. Trump just took office. We got new leadership taking over. They're still uncertain about how those things will pan out, and so there's uncertainty across the board. You'll have jolts of volatility where the market goes up, where it come right back down, and this is evidenced by that. Another one to keep on your radar is Tesla. Okay, they all over the place. Okay, now this is also a fake out breakout, but nevertheless, you make sure whatever you do, you're on the right side of the trade. Okay, this went all the way down to 370 today, and then it popped all the way up to 412 today. Right now we're sitting at 405. All right, so again, these are going to be areas of opportunity, but when I talk about opportunity, guys, it's not always to the upside. Okay, in certain instances it is, but the opportunity is to the upside. But sometimes there will be time periods, there will be days, weeks, and months where the opportunity in these same plays is to the downside. If you rock with Coach, be okay with making money in both directions. Okay, when you are on the wrong side of the trade, you need to acknowledge that and pivot. That's what your stop loss come in at, because it should stop you out with a smaller loss, so you can see, oh dang, this play not going up today, it's going down. Coach wants me to pivot, mean buy a put to get on the right side of the trade for that moment. Then make your money and get in and get out. Then once it get down, guess what? It's going to go right back up. And then now you do, and you get in with the proper positioning from where you should have got in at. Okay, listen, man, Coach just wanted to love on you guys today. Always celebrate you and uplift you guys. Tell you job well done. But listen, be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We will crush the SPY and we will crush Tesla like we do every day. We putting a smackdown on both of those. So be in the Discord first thing in the morning. I don't care which one you play, SPY or Tesla, or you can play both. But your job is to crush those. After you learn to do that consistently, you can graduate to the money team. Or if you're not ready for the money team, you need to do one-on-one coaching. Let me make sure you have the right foundation, you have the right learning and development to master this game, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.